respected judges, teachers and my dear friends. I am Advaita, senior of class 6A, and today I am going to share my view on online classes and offline classes.
Students can express their doubts easily in classroom teaching, whereas in online teaching, students have to wait for a long time for his or her turn. Students can save their time and utilize more time for their learning. There are so many positive benefits of online learning. In this pandemic, online classes are the best solution.
My name is Manya Verma from class 6th. I am in the favor of classroom because we can clear each and every doubt that we have.
In online classes, there is lot of connectivity issues, camera and audio issues and background sounds.
When I go to school, my schedule was well planned and I enjoyed sharing tiffin with my friends, some chatting with my friends.
Hello Almatarians, I hope you're all enjoying. No, I am not. I am missing you all. The pandemic has tied us down in our homes. But these are extreme circumstances. And if we stay safe, we will remain healthy. As also alive to meet again. And that will happen soon. For now, we have to be patient, which we all are, and we keep participating in the efforts that are being done by the institutions for your excitement, enlightenment, and being active. I know you are all active. So many of you participated in the debate competition and you have scored marks for your house. I got the opportunity to see your videos and I was very happy. And so I would like to congratulate all of you who participated and did what they were required to do with the topics. The only thing that I would like to mention is that when you introduce yourself, that should be not from the notes. Many of you even read your introduction from the notes, which probably lowered your grade. Other things like the content, the oratory skills, your confidence and clarity of thought were almost similar. It was only the expression that was different for different schools. Remember, if you improve upon your introductory skills, you will always score better. Anyways, once again congratulating you, and soon we will be together. Just be patient and keep doing what your teachers, what your parents are asking you. I would like to mention some names who did very well. Advaita and Soumya from class 6, Kanan and Manasvi from class 7, Shubhankar, Siddhi, Pavani and Nishta from class 8, as also they, and Anya, Kushal and Pawan were expected to perform better. There is always a next time. For now, congratulations. Once again, stay safe, stay healthy and be with your parents. God bless.
Yes, social media harms. People talk
that social media is damaging our youth. So many children are corrupted by it, and even how it's teared down our democracy.
It also played a very important role for connecting the people with the ideologies.
Social media is taken for good purpose. It makes your life better than before.
It is easy to educate through social media from anywhere in the world. We can share our issues with community to get help and guidance.
Hello students, I am Girish. Some of you must have recognized me because I was in your school up till March 2020. I was asked to judge your debates, and I must congratulate all the participants, and I would like to say that all the participants are winners by themselves because they have at least achieved the first step. That means they have climbed the first step. Rest is improvement. Confidence that comes with practice. Improvement also can be achieved by taking guidance from your teachers, from your parents, from your elders, and you can do well in your debates in future. So I would also like to tell you that you must encourage your classmates that they should also, those who haven't participated, they should also participate next time, because all these things, they add to your profile, and especially in this time of pandemic, all the projects, assignments, debates and any other extra curricular activities would add to your assessment and profile. So it is very important that you must participate in all the events which are being conducted by the school, and I would also like to tell the parents that they should ensure that their wards should participate in all these activities. Best of luck to all of you, and during this pandemic time you should learn to utilize your time and focus on your academics and all the projects and assessments projects and activities which the school demands from you, and do them well. Thank you.
In my opinion, laptops and tablets must be a part of our study. Doesn't matter it's your home or school.
It's easy to see that technology like laptop or tablet can be distracting for many individuals.
The classroom should be a learning zone that maximizes your ability to absorb new knowledge and information.
If a student forgets his or her book at home, so they can search on laptop through Google and they do not have to go to the libraries.
Laptops have more information than textbooks. Laptops are much faster to look up things.
We can also misuse these devices by using non-academic apps like WhatsApp, Instagram,